Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in a video top 10 fidget spinners. You saw me do that? That was a fidget spinner, yeah. So let me show you. Number 1 is this one. I got this one from Walmart. So this is one that goes up in the dark. So it goes up in the dark. And kind of fancy. The barrelings come out. This. See? Barrelings can come out. It's the see. Barrelings can come out. Now it's this. Let's just put this in here. Put back in there. Yeah. Next fidget spinner is a pink one. We got a pink one right here. In the camera, it looks like it's a hot pink, but in real life, it's just a regular pink. Just regular pink. See? It's a regular pink. My favorite color is not pink. I just got like 3 blues, and I wanted a different color to my collection. Like, I have like 3 blues right now. 3 blues. I just wanted to collect. I just wanted like a different color, so I got pink. Cool. This one got that from Walmart too. Let's go to the fastest one. I want to say the best for last. The best. This one is the fastest one. This is not the like the best for last. Like the best is for last. It's so cool. Like so cool. Okay, I got this one. And like it's orange. This one goes up to 3 minutes. Goes up to 3 minutes. Yeah. And this how you can tell it's from Walmart. Take off the cap. See that? That's a small barreling. Walmart has small barrelings. But 7-Eleven has like sometimes they have small barrelings. But this looks like all I got. Yeah. So this I got from Walmart. Goes up to 3 minutes. Next fidget spinner we got here. I got this one from 7-Eleven. And I know you got. I think some people like this one. Like all the cause they're like silvery. Like the barrelings are silver and stuff. Some people like this one. Yeah, got this one from 7-Eleven. Next one. I got this one off Amazon. It's this one. It's a glow-in-the-dark. This is always fall off. This is a glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner. And if you guys don't believe me, I'm gonna show it in the dark. Let's do this. Okay? I can show it in the dark. Show it in the dark. Oh, it's glowing right now. Glowing up a little bit. So, I don't think you guys can see, but you guys see it's glowing up, right? It's glowing up. Yeah, it's glowing up, see? You see it glowing up? Yeah. Yeah, that's a glow-in-the-dark one. Yeah. Yeah, that's a glow-in-the-dark one. Okay, that's it. And we got this one. Got from 7-Eleven. This one, people call this an eye spin. I saw it on a video. See, eye spin. The green part goes in the dark. This part goes in the dark. I don't think you guys like me to like carry the camera. I don't think that it's like that. Yeah. And at this one, it's a classic fidget spinner. Classic one. This is a baby blue one. I think it's a baby blue or sky blue. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, guys, I forgot. One day I was at my friend's house, and one day when I was in the dark, dude, this shirt was glowing up. I didn't even know it was glowing up. And I got this one. This one's from Walmart, as you can see, guys. Oh, it's hard. Okay, there it is. From Walmart. Little barreling. Let's put the barrelings back on there. Okay. Here. It's kind of shaky. It's not in balance. As you can see, it's like shaking in my hand. I don't think you guys can see. But look at the cool design. See? Okay. I got this one right here. I got this off of a channel. I got this off a contest. The channel is called Ninja. It's called Fidget Ninja. See, Fidget Ninja. I got it from a contest. For subscribing, hit that like button, turn on notifications. Yeah, that's how I did it. That's how I got this one. And the final one is better. You guys are gonna be surprised with this one and him get it. And it is right here. This is. You want to see this? One, cut it on. Watch this. Woo! Like when it's like this, you guys like, ooh, this is a little boom. It's cooler. See, it's so cool. And when it slows down, watch this. When it slows down. That's what happens when it slows down. But this is so cool. Like look. Yeah. Subscribe. Okay, guys. I'll give you 5 seconds. No. Just I want you to hit subscribe button. Hit that notification. Also, hit the subscribe button. That's only 3 things. 3 things. Subscribe. Notifications. Subscribe. Also, like the video. So, well, goodbye, guys. See you in another fidget spinner collection. Actually, I got 11 of them. 11. But I forgot when we was going to my papa house, I forgot it. But yeah, this is the new one. I just got this one yesterday. I got this one yesterday, and this one yesterday. I got these from yesterday. Yeah, these are the new ones. Yeah, so subscribe, and if you subscribe and hit that like button, I might sell any fidget spinner. Like you could choose this one. Just turn on notifications. Just turn on notifications. Subscribe, like that, push that like button. Yeah, but guess what, guys? My gaming channel is almost coming up. My gaming channel is almost coming up, guys. So I'd rather you push that like button. Okay? So bye. Don't forget, subscribe to Fidget Ninja. Fidget Ninja. Yes, it's right here. Fidget Ninja. Just go to their channel to spell Fidget Ninja, and you will see all the information about them. They make cool fidget spinners. Yeah. So, bye guys. Remember. Okay, let's get this video to 10,000 likes. And if we get this to 10,000 likes, I might sell one of my fidget spinners. Like pink one, this one, not this one. This one is not for sale. This one is not for sale. Not for sale. Not for sale. Okay? Not for sale. So, you guys have fun. Bye. Bye.